Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. I hope you are well. So we've had the Samsung tripod for over 2 weeks now, and although it came with the case in the box, it certainly needed a case with a kickstand, which makes usability smooth while maximizing productivity. Therefore, today we will share a kickstand case for the tripod with you that we think is fantastic. So let's get started.
Hi, so I've been using the phone just over 2 weeks now, and I've been using this case that came supplied with the phone. This is the one that has the hinge protection as well. So it's a good case. It's a Samsung's official case. Surprisingly, they decided to put this one in the box first for them, and then it covers the hinge as well. Carbon fiber material here. So it's a nice case. Bit fingerprinty sometimes, but it's fine. But as good as this case is, with this fold being this huge 10-inch tablet, you can't really use it with for multimedia. If you're watching a video or even doing some work, you need to have another stand to keep it standing, because there's no kickstand, which is a shame, because Samsung made another case similar, but not the hinge protection, but with a kickstand, a good kickstand end. And so I have that case now, and I've been using it for a few days, and I thought I'll share my experience with you guys. Okay, so let's take this one out first of all. So I was saying, with this case, it's a good case, but you don't have a kickstand, means you need to have some kind of stand to stand the phone up for watching videos or doing some work. So it's a bit inconvenient, so I decided I wanted to change to this case. So this case here is one of Samsung's official cases that they're not actually supplying with the phone, but they sell it in South Korea, China, and it's a really good case, as you can see here. It's the one with the kickstand. It's got quite a big, chunky looking kickstand here, and it's called Galaxy Z Trifold Carbon Standing Case. So let's open it. So that's the case. In the box, there's nothing much else. That's it. But I must say, it came very, very well wrapped. So there was no chance of the package getting damaged. So here's this case. As you can see, it's the same look and feel of the other case. Carbon fiber again. You've got the big camera cutout. It's got a bit of a bump there. Same as the other one. But the difference is you don't have a hinge protection here, which the other one did. But you have this nice looking kickstand. Now this kickstand is what really changes the way you can use your phone, trifold really. So let's actually put it on the phone straight away. Really easy to put on. Just there, already on. So this is how it looks when it's on. And the good thing about this case as well, because the kickstand is, can you see it's a bit raised, it also helps with this bump. So the phone, when you're putting it flat down, won't rock as much as it did before. Because the phone on its own, I'll show an example. So this is with the kickstand on, so with the case on, there is still that rock, but in terms of it's sitting, they're both sort of, this looks slightly higher for some reason, but you do have a bit of, if you open the whole thing up like that, the rock kind of goes away. It's slightly there because still it's uneven, but it's nowhere near as bad. When you have this case, you are changing the way you use the phone. And there's different ways you can use this case as well, so I'll show these in this video. So other than the case being same as the other one, this kickstand is plastic, but it feels really good. It's very solid and well made, and it clicks really strongly. And when it opens, it's not loose or wobbly at all. It's quite tight. It's something that you can probably put it in different kind of positions and still not have much movement, depending on how you put the phone down. So let's just start. So yeah, it goes up to here. And if you're putting it down, so you've got this, and this is really good now, because in this position you've got a really nice angle here. So if you have a keyboard and you have the phone, it's a perfect combo here, and you don't need to worry about having another stand because the kickstand is very robust. So when the phone is sitting on the desk with the kickstand, you're not gonna have the phone falling over or anything. Let's see if I can show it from the other side. See how it's sitting? The phone is sitting really well, although there isn't much support on this side. Unless you really push it, it's not tilting over. It's not tilting over this side anyway, but this side is still very solid. It's sitting very firm on the desk. If you wanted to, you can also use it in this formation. Now look at that. So if you're using, for example, if you're browsing a website or you're watching something on the top here, maybe I can show an example, and you're doing something else at the bottom. Again, this is really perfect. Or if you're typing the keyboard, you've got most of this, most of this really large screen in a portrait orientation, so you've got more screen to really play with, whereas especially if you're typing or something, landscape, you lose a lot of that space. I'm going to give some examples. It's not falling over, it's sitting very comfortably, and this is how it sits. And then if I can show from the side, I'll show it from an angle. Can you see it? So it's really comfortable here, and it's sitting really well without worrying. I'm not worried that it's going to fall or something. Obviously, if I'm poking it, so you can have it this way, as I was showing. You can have it this way. Works great. What about this way? So this way you're kind of getting a more like sort of reclined angle. So the other way you was like really high up. The phone was like, it's really sitting on your face almost. And then this way around, so if you rotate the phone, you've got the camera here, the selfie camera, but the phone is now in a much more of a slanted position, so you've got a nice comfortable view of what you're doing. Now if I were to push this more in, then look, now it's not going to sit like this, but it will sit like this. I can't imagine using it like this, because although it is there, it's not exactly flapping over or something. Can you see there's a bit of a bounce, but this kickstand is really good, and it clicks, like, can you hear it? Really clicks strongly in. There's no magnetic connection, it's just the way that it closes, and it's really a chunky, look at this, a big sort of kickstand. And also, if you're planning to use a MagSafe, then this case is no good at all. This one you could. This case, MagSafe not compatible, because this is here to stay. In my case, this is more valuable for me. This gives me much more flexibility and options as to how I use my phone. And also the downside is, as I said earlier, with this case, you don't have the hinge protection, which the other one gave the hinge protection, but it also made the phone a little bit more wider. It's slightly more bulkier, whereas now it's not. Feels a bit lighter as well compared to the other case. The case is really slim, and it's got this, if you can see with the camera there, slightly raised, which means it's not going to scratch the camera lens if it's flat down on the table. So, and if I put it down just like that, the movement is so much better. Let's just take it off and quickly show it without the case how bad it is. You can already see it, look. It's kind of unusable if you want to use it like this. Whereas the moment you put this one back on, there is movement, but there's no way it's wobbling away. It's not just rocking or anything. It's perfectly sitting on the surface here. And also in terms of the kickstand as well, if you want to use your phone like this, it's going to probably fall over like that. If you want to have it this way, let's put the screen on again. So again, you can see it works perfectly fine. So if you're watching a video or something on the outer screen and you want to have it sort of standing, additional stand or something, then that's fine. Also this way, it's perfectly fine, can be used, no problem at all. So you can have it this way, you can have it this way, you can even turn it this way if you wanted to. It's not exactly gonna suddenly sort of close or anything. It seems quite tight and strong. A fantastic way to use this phone. I don't think it was something we were expecting, but let me show you. So I've opened a new note, and as you know, with Samsung Note, you always get in that keyboard. So if you wanted to, it's fine. You can use it like that. And also, like I showed earlier, if you wanted to, you can use it like that as well. It's all good. Works perfectly fine, and you can comfortably right away, without worrying about the phone tilting or anything like that. It's not gonna, unless you really apply force there. Watch, this is what this kickstand really allows, and I love this. Now watch. Now look, I have a laptop. Kind of the flex mode thing that we wanted, that this phone didn't have. But see, because don't forget, there's quite a lot of tension here. This doesn't want to stay in this kind of position. But because this kickstand is quite strong, I can easily have the phone folded, this bottom half folded. And what you have now is you have a full Galaxy Fold 7. You've got similar size screen. So you have all of the screen for your whatever you're doing. And then the bottom panel, which is the outer panel really, is your keyboard. Now you can type away. Obviously the front glass may get scratched depending on the surface you're using on, so that's something to be wary of, but obviously there's a screen protector there. And I have been using this in meetings to take notes and things where I don't want to get the Bluetooth keyboard out. And so this just gives you this option of not having the Bluetooth keyboard, and you can use it like this. Imagine your Galaxy Fold 7 and then you have another panel here, just a keyboard. How good is that? Let's see from the side so you can see. So this is how it looks. See, it's bounced up. So this for me is a great use case of this phone. But what it doesn't do, if you're in the camera app or something like that. So say if you're using a camera app and you're hoping you're going to have the flex mode, no, it doesn't work like that. And say if I want to watch YouTube, go YouTube. Now you have the YouTube section on the top, and here on the bottom, you've got your other videos, you can scroll and all that. So you see the use case here is so versatile. You get so many more different options now than you would have had before. Don't forget, it's a big phone. It's kind of can be awkward to handle sometimes, if you're watching a video and you're trying to write or something. But this is just really perfect. And also in terms of multitasking with this keyboard. So if I bring my note back up again, so I've got my note here. Now it's taking up the whole screen because of this keyboard. It gives us so many options of how we set up the windows. Yeah, so if I wanted to do this and at the same time I wanted to work here on this side, you can be typing away on your note. You still got a comfortable screen here, and then at the same time if I add a comment, that keyboard is there and you can type away as well. So this is really impressive. And then if I wanted to put it that way, and I've got the video on one side and I've got this big note thing here. If I bring the keyboard up, obviously eat up a lot of the space, so that's not a perfect situation. But then again, we do have the option of the Bluetooth keyboard, but at least you can see the different types of use case here. Without a kickstand it's not possible, but I have to say I really like the fact it does this. So I wanted to share this video quickly with you guys and show you how I use my trifold and experience of using it for the past 2 weeks. I've had this case for a few days, like I said, and it's really changed the way I use the phone, and I feel a lot more free now. I feel like I don't have to worry about carrying an additional thing, because if I'm going to use the note, I know exactly what I can do. It just really works very well, and like I said, it will work on any sort of applications. The other ways you can use this is if you're using the virtual keyboard, you can always change to a different keyboard, so you can change to a split keyboard. Still very comfortable to sort of write, so that works fine. You have this. And you can use a floating keyboard as well. So if you have a floating keyboard, you can also change the size of it. So if I don't want to have it here, if I put it at the bottom, it's wanting to stretch all the way, but I just leave it here, and I can use it and I can type whatever I want to type, and I've still got all of that screen as well, and maybe I can put something here. So if you want to also use this sort of layout on a different app, like say, if I open a calendar, I say, again, you see, I can type away now, and it's just really nice because the phone is sitting comfortably. It's not moving, it's not falling. It's at a nice height. You've got enough of a screen here, good screen, real estate, and then you've got a nice keyboard here. So it's a win-win all around. Now, the lose-lose is this is not a cheap case, so that's the down thing. You've already paid a lot of money for the trifold, and now then you're buying all these accessories. This one I paid, I think, £82, I think UK pounds for. So it's a very expensive case. To be honest, I feel it's worth it. Obviously, it doesn't, really fully protect your phone. You've got this hinge completely exposed. This hinge here is also exposed at the top. Both of the panels, the bottom, the two top panels are exposed. The bottom it's only covering the bottom, but to be honest, in none of my phones I ever have a case that covers the whole front and back and everything.
So that's all for today, guys. We hope you found the video helpful and informative. If you have, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. There will be a lot more content on our trifold experiences, so do put the notification bell on for our upcoming videos. And if there is anything in particular you'd like us to cover, please feel free to leave a message in the comment section, and we'll do our best to cover that topic as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.